1. Turn off low power mode. Low power mode disables some features on your iPhone to conserve battery power. When it's activated, the color of your battery level appears yellow instead of green. The low power mode prompt automatically comes up when your battery percentage falls below 20%. If you want to save battery life, you may also choose to keep your iPhone in low power mode all the time. But your iPhone's flashlight is often one of those features that get disabled by this mode. To turn off low power mode, go to the Settings app, select Battery, and tap to toggle off low power mode. 2. Images. iPhone Settings app. Turn off low power mode in iPhone settings. 2. Charge your iPhone. Even after you turn off low power mode, you may find that your iPhone's flashlight still doesn't work. This may be simply because your device doesn't have enough battery power left to support the feature at that moment. Therefore, you should plug your iPhone into a power source and start charging it. The flashlight feature should start working again once your iPhone has sufficient power. 3. Check your iPhone isn't too hot. When your iPhone gets too hot, the flashlight may stop working. It's not advisable to continue using an overheating iPhone. If your device exceeds a particular temperature limit, it will eventually shut down until it cools off. You'll also see a warning appear on your screen if the temperature gets too high. Blue iPhone Pro on white surface. To allow your device's temperature to drop naturally, place your iPhone in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight. Do not attempt to put your device into the fridge, though, as this will cause damage to it. Just find somewhere that's naturally cool and shady. Once your device cools down, your iPhone's flashlight should start working again. 4. Remove the flashlight from the control center. If your iPhone's torch still isn't working, another potential fix is to remove the flashlight option from the control center and then add it back again. Here's how. Go to the Settings app. Select Control Center. Under Included Controls, tap the red minus icon for flashlight or torch in some regions. Tap Remove to confirm. To add the flashlight back, scroll down to the More Controls section. Tap the plus symbol icon for flashlight or torch. 3. Images. iPhone Settings app. Customize iPhone Control Center. Customize iPhone Control Center. 5. Close your iPhone's camera app. Your iPhone's camera's flash function uses the same light as the flashlight. If you have the camera app opened, it's normal to see the control center's flashlight icon grayed out. This is because you can't use both features at the same time. To solve this, just exit the camera app and access your control center again. You should see that the flashlight button can once more be selected as usual. 6. Turn on your flashlight using the camera flash. If you can't turn on your iPhone's flashlight from the control center, a workaround is to turn it on in the camera app by activating the flash function. Here's how. In the camera app, go to Video mode. Swipe up from the bottom menu, on the word, Video, to bring up more options. Tap the flash icon. Select On. 3. Images. iPhone Camera Video Mode. iPhone Camera Video Mode options. Turn on iPhone Camera Flash. 7. Toggle the flash in your iPhone's camera app. To get rid of glitches that stop your iPhone's flashlight from working, you can also try turning your camera flash on and off. The steps are the same as the workaround to turn on your iPhone's camera flash, as discussed in the previous solution. But instead of leaving the flash set to on, toggle between on and off a few times. 8. Update your iPhone's iOS. iOS updates usually come with fixes for performance bugs and various glitches. So, Perhaps all you need to do to fix your iPhone's flashlight is to update your device to the latest version of iOS. Check out our guide on updating your iPhone if you're not sure what to do. 9. Restart your iPhone. If the above methods don't solve the problem and your iPhone's flashlight still isn't working, the next step you should try is restarting your iPhone. iPhone on wooden surface showing Hello Welcome screen. The method you need to follow varies depending on the iPhone model you have. But in general, you can go to Settings, General, Shut Down, Slide to Power Off. Then, hold the side button to restart your iPhone once it powers off. If you're unsure what steps to follow, you can refer to our guide on restarting your iPhone. 10. Restore your iPhone to a previous backup. Besides updating and restarting your iPhone, you can also try restoring your iPhone to a previous backup from when the flashlight was still working as usual. However, when you use this method, keep in mind that you will also lose any new data that was added to your device since you made that backup. 11. Reset all settings on your iPhone. If all else fails, the last solution you can attempt is to reset your iPhone settings. Just make sure you don't tap Erase all content and settings. That would delete all the data on your device. If you don't do that, rest assured that you won't lose any content from your iPhone. Take note that the reset process can take a long time, especially if you have a lot of data on your iPhone. So if you're stuck in the dark and in urgent need of a flashlight, don't rely on resetting your iPhone.